Oh, today we are going to explore the biggest abandoned hospital
in Yugoslavia.
What's that?
Some underground.
Oh.
Here some alley.
Uh-huh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, like look at that.
So much concrete there.
Yeah.
It's like something like a cinema, or I don't know, but this is the hospital where there is cinema or theater.
Close. Close or?
I don't have.
I don't have to look, but you should.
Yeah. You see the motorcycle?
Right.
There.
Oh.
Let's grab it.
Well, it's someone. In that alley.
Oh.
Pretty one.
Yeah.
That's
Oh, Pringles, man.
And broke. Right. In.
I think this is not all. There's some construction there,
Yeah.
and that's.
Look at this one. In the start.
Look at this one. And this one.
Yeah.
This is maybe the hotel for the patients. I don't know how to say it. Patients at the hospital. We want to climb the construction and see what's there. Now we are there, at the underground. Maybe this was for the parking places or for the cars. No.
The podium here.
What's that? I don't know. What?
Podium.
Yeah. But why they are built the podium in the middle of the hospital?
Maybe for some lectures or something.
Yeah, maybe. Or just fun.
They learning how to operate the or transportate your heart.
Yeah.
Here. They are looking very good for fun. Oh my god, no, that's too much.
Oh, that construction everywhere. What's that for?
Another building color. Elevators.
Uh-huh. Free one. Oh,
Oh, look at it.
jump there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 floors. And there's another one. It goes there. But if you are stuck in the mud, you see nothing there.
Yeah. You realize how big is that? We have only 2 hours on explore all of this hospital. I think
But that construction
we
on
can
the
get
left
it.
side, on the top,
Yeah.
you definitely won't go there.
Definitely. Okay, this is some dangerous side of our exploration.
Not just for who.
So let's go. Is it safe? Not really, but let's go.
Not really, yeah, but Why not? We should take the blows.
But we don't have that.
1 meter. Double over-hander. Okay, this side. Stairs. Same. Oh.
How big is that? Okay, 1 building, 2 building, 3 building. This is the 4th building. This is the 5th building, and I think something is behind this building. So 6 building for the patients of this hospital. They sleep here in these rooms. They slept here in these rooms. Look at that. Oh my god.
Maybe I went above that. I can't step on it, on this. It's so high. Yeah. Unsafe. Something like 40 meters? Maybe 50. Go on.
But high as fuck.
Be careful, be careful. Oh, I won't do that. It's bad.
Want to? Want to?
Maybe.
Okay. You have the grip.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pozor na wítečka. Hey. Hey, ben groma. But insane.
In the middle. Yeah, yeah.
Cobra.
You said cobra?
This is cobra. Cobra. Look at that. And something here, some cases. We want to export it. Let's go. These old cases.
1963.
Oh my god, it's old. What's inside?
I'll check something.
Is it empty or?
Yeah, it's empty.
Okay.
What was inside? Maybe you should turn that up too. You can send me the selfie stick with it. Push that. It is. Again, the closest situation. Outside? Be careful about the